Welcome back. Now that you've uncovered the product you want to promote to the market that you researched, and you've created your affiliate link to promote it with, and then gone ahead and created a shortened version of that link, it's time to start getting your affiliate link for your product in front of the people who are looking for that resource. Either people who are looking for your product or service as a solution or an answer to one of their problems. And in order to do that, we have to create content related to these people's interests and then get that content in front of those people. Fortunately, online it's very easy to research the information for the content we need for free. It's easy to create the content we need for free, and it is easy to publish that content and get it in front of the people we want to see it for free. And in the next videos we'll be looking at how to do that. But first we have to create the content. And I'm going to walk you through an example in very general terms and then in more specific terms. And we will use the heartburn example we were working from previously. People were searching for a cure for heartburn, and we saw in the ClickBank marketplace we had picked out a heartburn cure product, the top one in ClickBank, and we had gone and gotten our affiliate link for it, and then we'd gone and shortened our affiliate link for it using bit.ly, and that shortened link would bring us to the sales page for this product. I'm going to open that up very quickly there through our affiliate link so that our tracking cookie would go on the visitor's computer, and if they made a purchase from this, you would get credited with the sale and earn the commission. Now, how do we get that link in front of people who are interested in it? Well, these people who are searching for information about heartburn are looking all over the place. They are searching social media sites, they are searching Google, they're asking their friends online for answers, so we want to get in front of them in these different places. And the best way to do that is to create an article about that topic and then have that article published in a variety of formats on a variety of different sites. And at the end of the article, which will provide a little bit of information in answer to their needs or the problem they're having, we will include the link to the product service we are promoting at the end of it. Now, the great thing is, I'm going to hop over to the Google Keywords tool. You can find out what to write about very easily just by using the Google AdWords keyword tool we used earlier for our research. And here I did a general search for heartburn, and we can see there are literally hundreds of thousands of people searching for heartburn and heartburn related information every month. And a person with heartburn, you can look at some of the more long-term, long-tail phrases where they're asking more specific questions, and you can get good ideas for the content you can create from this. This is one way to do it. So for example, we see that somewhere between 1,300 and 2,000 people a month are searching for what to do for heartburn. This obviously implies that they have heartburn and they are looking for a solution for it. And it would also be a good topic to create the initial content you're going to market with. We can check, for example, to see if there's a lot of competition in the search engines for this phrase by going over to Google. We take this phrase, what to do for heartburn, for example, and we will type it into Google here. I was testing another one here, what to do for heartburn in quotes, and let's see, we get about 12,800 results. Now that's not too many, which means that if you developed content of answering that question, you'd have a good chance of getting free traffic from the search engines, driving visitors to that content that you write when it's posted in the right places. So that's a good topic for an article. So what you do is you pick some of those phrases like that from the list of keywords and you create some content. And this can be as easy as using OpenOffice. You go to openoffice.org. This is if you don't have Microsoft Word or your own word processing software on your computer. You just go over to openoffice.org and you can download the OpenOffice software suite for free. It's open source, completely free, and it has a great word processing software built into it. And you want to do an article based on those keywords. For example, what to do for heartburn. You would use the phrase as the title of your article and then have a subtitle. We recommend doing tips articles, providing a number of tips that answer the question or start to answer the question or start to provide a solution to it. 3 tips for heartburn sufferers. I'll add a little ending like that there because one of the keys is that I am repeating the main problem. Again, heartburn's the main problem in this issue. If you're doing one where it's a product, you could repeat the product again in the subtitle. So you take that phrase, add it in the title, and then repeat it again in the second part of the title. And then you want to write approximately 350 to 500 word article on that topic with those tips. This is very easy to do. You can research almost any topic online. One of the places we recommend that you go to do this is over to top7businesstips.com. People have tips on all kinds of different subjects there. For example, I can type in heartburn, and there's all kinds of articles on heartburn there already. And then you can take the tips from these different articles for research, rewrite them in your own words to create the article. I'll show you some examples of what these will look like right over there now. Sorry. Here's one on heartburn here. Top 7 tips to treat and prevent heartburn. The person has an introduction, 7 tips, and a conclusion. And this is the same format you want to use. You can do your research right here. We'll have some more details in the printed material that goes along with this course on how to do this. But basically fairly straightforward. Introduction to the topic, your tips, and then your last box, which would be known as your bio box, where you tell them that you have more solutions or more details on this that they can find. And then that's where you include your link, your affiliate link at the end, like that. So that's the basics, the basis of that whole process of creating the initial content. You find some keyword phrases, long-term keyword phrases, long-tail keyword phrases related to the topic. You create an informative but not too informative article of around 350 to 500 words. And at the end of that article, you will have a resource box or one paragraph telling them why they should visit your link, which you'll include at the end, for more in-depth information. And that will bring those people interested in learning more information or finding more details about their problem or a solution to it straight over to your product or service you're promoting. Once you're done that, you will take the content or the article you've written and you will begin to distribute it to numerous sites and in numerous formats with that link around the internet. And then the people landing on those sites looking for that information will find your article, find your content, read it, listen to it, or watch it. And then because your link is there for them to follow through to, they'll click on that link, be redirected to the sales page for the product through your affiliate link, and any sales that are made will be credited to you, and you will earn the commissions. In the next video, we will start looking at some of the places to start submitting that content to that you can use for each product or service you decide to promote as an affiliate.